Greetings, today we are discussing how to enhance your mobile device security using Klypt Tunnel Pro. I will be guiding you through the configuration process step by step. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Klypt Tunnel Pro. Ensure to verify the authenticity of the app by confirming the developer and icon before installing. After successful installation, proceed to open the application. Locate and tap the three horizontal lines, typically located in the corner of the screen. This opens the menu. Select Update Server from the menu. Wait for the update to complete. It ensures the app has the latest server and security configurations. Once the update is complete, tap Server. Here you will select a VPN server. You can choose any server from the list. Now choose your preferred connection method. Select UDP or your country option. Tap At Time. This will give you more time to use your VPN. Next, tap Start. This will initiate the VPN connection process. Wait for the app to display UDP connected status, indicating that a secure VPN connection has been successfully established. By following these steps, you have significantly enhanced your mobile security, thus safeguarding your device and data from potential cyber threats. Thank you for your attention.